Let's face it, selling your home is a pain in the ass. Not to mention, it's also a real invasion of your privacy. Open houses, real estate signs, lock boxes, strangers coming and going. If you've thought about selling your home for the right price, the right terms, but don't want the hassle and rigmarole of going live on the market, a Compass private exclusive listing may be perfect for you. Hi, I'm Kevin Grolig. I'm a real estate agent with Compass located in Potomac, Maryland. I specialize in helping nice folks like you relocate to Montgomery County, relocate out of Montgomery County, and relocate within Montgomery County. Selling your home as a Compass private exclusive offers several advantages to you as a home seller. Today, I will give you 8 reasons why you may want to consider selling your home as a private exclusive. Shh. Number 1, targeted marketing. Compass private exclusive listings are marketed exclusively to a network of top Compass agents and their buyers. This focused approach ensures that your property is only seen by serious buyers who are in the market looking for a home just like yours. Number 2, privacy. If you're someone who values your privacy, selling your home as a Compass private exclusive could be the ideal situation for you. Since your home is only being marketed to a select group of Compass agents and buyers, you won't have to worry about the general public and all those look-de-loos touring through your home. Hey there, quick break in the action. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and bang that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. If you need any information pertaining real estate specific to you, feel free to reach out to me direct at 240-793-7495. All right, back to the action. Number 3, customized marketing plan. Compass private exclusives are tailored to each individual property and each individual property owner. This means that your agent will specifically develop a marketing plan designed to showcase your home's unique attributes and features. 4, reduced stress. I mean, let's be honest, who the heck doesn't need less stress? There's no question that selling your home definitely ranks up there as one of the most stressful experiences you can have. But with a Compass private exclusive, you can avoid that chaos that comes with your traditional open house and showings that randomly occur at random times throughout the week. Instead, your agent will schedule private showings with interested buyers, which can help minimize disruptions from your daily routine. Number 5, increased control. With a Compass private exclusive, you have more control over the entire selling process. You can work and collaborate with your agent to set the price, negotiate offers, and you will never be pressured to accept an offer that doesn't meet all your needs and expectations. Number 6, exclusive market. For the right home, many home buyers are willing to pay a premium to avoid the pressure of competing and bidding wars. Number 7, test the market. Listing your home as a private exclusive gives you the ability to test the market at a price that may be higher than market value. If it sells at that price, phenomenal. If it doesn't sell at that premium price, no harm, no foul. Number 8, without a trace. What do I mean by without a trace? If your home does not sell as a private exclusive listing and you decide to go on the open market at a later time, there will be no trace in the MLS or any of those consumer sites like Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com of the prior history of the listing as a private exclusive. The importance of this is you have no worries of your property going stale by the time you're ready to list your home on the live and open market. Overall, selling your home as a Compass private exclusive listing can be an effective way to ensure a smooth and successful sale while maintaining your privacy and control over the selling process. If you're considering selling your home in privacy or simply testing out the market, feel free to contact me direct by text at 240-793 7495. Thanks once again for checking out the latest video in my series, Real Kevin. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, place a comment, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and for goodness sake, bang that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. See you next week.